Join us again today as we revisit the 2008 Toyota Tundra in our fleet. We'll be upgrading these seats from the tired cloth units from the factory to something a little more modern and premium feeling. To kick things off, I'll be upgrading the shift knob from the old kind of clunky looking unit to a more modern and sleek TRD designed one. I'll have the link for this product listed below, so check that out if you want to get a unit of your own. So what we'll be installing today will be these 2nd gen Tundra seat covers from Coverado. They kindly provided these to me in exchange for posting a video on how to do this, as well as give my honest impressions of the quality and the fitment of these products. Here I'll lay everything out to make sure that I have all the pieces required. And right out of the gate, the quality of these look amazing. The stitching looks great, the pattern is very nice and premium feeling. The materials used are really high quality and excellent. Coverado conveniently provides excellent instructions on how to install these seat covers. Let's go ahead and follow that guide. For the seat backs, we're going to add these funny looking hexagon shapes called chucks onto the straps. These will go inside the seat and secure it in place, meaning that they'll keep a tight fit and from moving around. And then there are 2 metal hooks on the back of the passenger and the driver seat. Those will go around the back and keep it tight as well too. In addition to being premium materials and a tight fit, these seat covers are excellently designed. For example, the tops actually have 4 zippers where the headrest meets up, meaning that you can take the double pair of zippers on each side and zip them right up to the holes of the headrest pegs so that there's no visibility of the actual seat underneath it. It's a clever design and works really well. Installing the rear seats is extremely simple. You'll pass the straps through the back of the seat, flip the seats up, and then meet those 2 straps together. Once that's done, we'll move on to installing the seat backs. To do this, it's extremely simple. You will just line them up over the rear seats. You'll then secure the headrests with the supplied straps. The sides of the seat covers are secured by running a strap through the bottom straps. One thing I was surprised yet impressed by was the fact that they include a center console cover as well too to match the rest of the interior. This is a really nice touch and really pulls everything together well. This is installed by simply sliding it over the center console and placing the straps beneath it. And with that, our interior is complete. Now, I don't know about you all, but I'm generally pretty wary of seat covers. They usually don't look very good and the fitment is usually very sloppy. However, these kind of changed my opinion on that. They fit extremely well and the materials used are really high quality. It pulls together a seamless look throughout the truck that really kind of updates this vehicle. It's hard to believe that this truck is 16 years old now at this point. If you're interested in buying some of these seat covers yourself, we'll have a 10% off discount code below. It'll also help this small-time channel financially and allow us to continue making quality content. Because I have a dog that loves to leave as much hair as there are tumbleweeds in West Texas, I decided to get some seat cover protection as well too, in the form of this dog seat cover. This is really nice. It kind of works like the seat covers do in the fact that it has chucks that fold into the back of the seat there and hold it in place. It's got a rubberized bottom and is actually waterproof. It's got a nice kind of diamond stitch pattern to it and should work really well at keeping dog hair off the seats. Best part is these are only about $25 on Amazon, and I'll link them below. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Please leave a like and a comment if you did, and hopefully we'll see you in the future for more of our videos.